So in the last videos we have covered different methods for list, tuple and set. So in today's session we will cover all the methods related to the dictionary in Python. So dictionary in Python is basically an unordered collection of key value pairs. Unordered means it doesn't hold the order in which we insert the items in the dictionary, right? And they are mutable, and Python provides several built-in methods to work efficiently with dictionary. Okay, so in this video we will cover the theoretical part of all the dictionary methods. Okay, so in this screen you can see these are all the methods related to the dictionary, right? So to add any new key and value or to update key in the dictionary, we can use this. We need to provide the dictionary name, and then in the square bracket we need to provide the key, and then we can put the value. So if the key is not already there, it will add the key, otherwise it will update the same key. Okay, then we have update. So it is basically used to update the dictionary with key value pair from another dictionary or iterable, right? So if you want to update an existing dictionary with another dictionary, we can use update. Okay, then how to access the item? For that we have get. So in get we can provide the key name, okay, and it returns the value of that key, and if the key does not exist, it returns the default value. So here it is none by default, but we can provide any value. Okay, same with pop. It is used to remove the item from the dictionary. Okay, so if the key is not found, it will return the default value, which is none, right? If the key does not exist, it returns the default value. Now there is another method called pop item. So it will also remove the key from the dictionary, but it returns the last key value pair, and this function works after Python version 3.7 and above. Okay, then we have delete function, which is used to delete a key or the entire dictionary. Okay, clear, it is used to empty the dictionary. Then we have an in operator. So if you want to check if any key is present in the dictionary, we can use this in operator. So we can write something like key in the dictionary. Okay, then copy, it is used to shallow copy of the dictionary, like we have in another, like we have that in list and tuples and set. Okay, okay, then we have set default. So set default returns the value for the key if it exists. Okay, otherwise it will add the key if it is not there, right? Okay, then to iterate over the dictionary we have three methods: keys, values and item. As the name suggests, key will give the keys, values will give all the values, and item will give like tuple of key and value basically. Okay, then we have length, minimum, maximum, sorted, these built-in functions which we have already seen in list, dictionary, list, set and tuples. These behave the same. So length of dict, it will return the basically the total keys. Okay, total key value pair in the dictionary. So it will be dictionary. Okay, we don't have any sum here. Okay, then we have minimum and maximum. It returns the minimum and maximum of the key in the dictionary. Okay, and then we have sorted. It will sort the dictionary based on the key. Okay, so basically this will cover all the inbuilt methods and functions for dictionary, using which we can work with dictionary. Okay, so in the next lecture we will cover the demo for all these methods and functions. Okay, so thank you for visiting the channel. Please subscribe if you like it, and comment if you need any more information on this. Thank you.